Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix TikTok not eligible, which simply means I'm going to teach you things to do when it says you're not eligible for a TikTok account when you try to make one. So let's get started right away. One point to remember is that you may be unable to create a TikTok account if you don't yet meet the age requirements. Throughout the United States, you must be 13 years old or older to create a TikTok account, and in many countries, you must also be 13 years of age or older to make a TikTok account. In certain countries, you must be 16 years of age or older to set up an account. Since you're well above the age of 13 and in the United States, but the TikTok continues to warn you that you're not eligible to create an account, you should consider these two different options to reset it. First of all, select your profile icon at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and then tap on the three lines at the top right to go to your settings and privacy. And scroll down a little bit until you see an option called Free Up Space. It's under Cache and Cellular Data. Go ahead and click on that, and when you are on this screen, just tap on Clear. So you just want to clear it. This always clears out a majority of the temporary files and junk in the application, and after this, you can try it again. If it still doesn't work, you can exit out of TikTok, and then you can uninstall and then reinstall the app. So go ahead and open up your Google Play Store over here, and once there, touch on the search bar at the top of the screen, and then search for TikTok, and then press on that, and then you want to tap the uninstall button over here. And then you need to reinstall it. So, if you're experiencing issues with an app, this is a very simple and quick method to reset things and make sure it's not an issue with the app that's installed. These things can become corrupted over time, so keep an eye out for that. So now you can see that this is installing TikTok again. This should be a clean new version. Once that's finished installing, you'll see that I can open it. And then you do have to sign into TikTok. And then everything will be back to normal with fresh new files, and you will not get that issue where it says you're not eligible for a TikTok account. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.